Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand. And last time I did some reconstruction on the hand pitch and on the lower pitch engine. What I want to do now is look some more on the hand and more precisely on these switches, because when you look at it, it doesn't really make any contact. So the idea is obviously that when it is completely pulled up, because that's what the pitch does in this case, then this switch should be activated, or this one. And then you have some yaw action. But that hardly ever happens. And that's because of the problem with this switch. So I want to take a better look at it and then obviously the whole functionality. So in order to get that done, let me go to screencast and show you everything about it. And then into the screencast. And I find a problem because the camera, this one, is frequently stopping with it, giving me frozen images. Anyway, I will try to keep things running. And last time I did stuff with the hand. And as I said in the introduction, I want to focus on this one. So let me tilt the camera a little bit. And I have to okay, I hope this is, yeah, this is better. So what I need to do is, and that's another thing that I have to do, I can't both run the my algorithm and the dialogues one time. I have to select this one. I already found that out. So you see here on the input 1 that I press it and the LED goes on and off. That is as I want it. But let me push this one up. And what happens? Fully pushed up, pitch fully drawn in, you see that the switch doesn't do anything. Well, a switch does, and that is this one. That is the pitch. This one is doing something. This one isn't. And neither so what's the difference between either one of them? Because this is 2, that is proven to be, oh wait. So if I only push this one in, what does it do? It touches this one, but not that one. The question is why? What's the difference? I need to find that out. And I think it's because of the situation here, but things should be the same. With the camera in a better position. So pressing here lights this one and lights this one, as should be. This one doesn't. So it is not high enough. This one is not low enough, I should say. And lifting everything shows that this one is slightly higher, which is odd because the construction shows that they are both at the same height. So how is that possible? Let's see. And now they both don't. This one just doesn't work. Yeah, it works like this, but that's not the point. I need some fundamental change somewhere, somehow. In theory, it does work, but this goes up somehow. So and they're both at the same location here. So I'm a little bit at a loss here. Why does one work and the other doesn't? I hope I do not need a full reconstruction. Well, now I lift it and this one does work. Now I lift it and this one does work. I lift both and neither works. Very curious. I need to pay way more attention to this part. And that is it for now. With a primarily diagnostical video concentrating on the hand with all functions and some conclusions are on. If you want to see which conclusions, please watch the whole video. All I can say is that this does work and I'm happy to show. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Please also support via either Patreon or Ko-fi. And you can also buy the whole video via Patreon and Ko-fi without becoming a member. And you can also support via Buy Me a Coffee and PayPal. Everything under the video in the description box. And this is certainly going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye, and thank you for my supporters.